Hi everyone, this was a viewer requested video. Now I'm going to be showing you several jackets with loads of pockets so that you can get through the airline's new restrictions on how many items are personal items, because they can't call it a personal item if you're wearing it. Today I'm doing a viewer requested video for jackets with many pockets. Now, the reason they requested this is because of the new airline restrictions on personal and carry-on items. Now, the new restriction is that personal items are restricted to a bag. That's it, one. So you're allowed to carry on and a personal item, one bag. If you have a neck roll, a blanket, a crossbody bag, that's no good. They're going to count that as a personal item, and you either have to fit it into your other personal items or you have to chuck it away. So this is a way of beating the airlines at their own game. Now, there is a company called Scotty Vests that makes vests and jackets that have many pockets. But the thing is, they are very expensive, and it only pays to get their jacket if you're doing a lot of traveling. And so this is a request for more moderately priced jackets with many pockets, and I have 6. So I'm looking forward to showing them to you. Now, some of you might have seen my video, which is over here, about takeoff luggage. Now, takeoff luggage is a very unique luggage that maximizes personal item size by being the maximum size that it can be by removing the wheels off the luggage. Now, I did that. I was not promoted by them, but because they were so happy with me and the review, they sent me a little present. So I'm going to show it to you. So it's this. It's the takeoff jacket rain slicker. And I'm really impressed with this. It has a zippy here, so you can open and close it. Comfort. It has a big pocket here in the front. It has an enormous kangaroo pouch here that you can stuff with anything, which is pretty amazing. It has a hood with an adjustable string and adjustable pulls at the bottom. Now, this is just a large. They just come in sizes like small, medium, large. This is a large. It's enormous on me, but hey, if you're taking it in to fill up this pocket, you want it to be large. But there's even more. This jacket converts into a bag, which is amazing. Let me show you. And this bag has thought of everything. It's a zippered bag with plenty of room on the inside. In the back, there's another zipper if you want to use it that way. And it also has a strap so you can attach it to your luggage. Well, I think they thought of everything with this bag. I think it's amazing. So I'd like to thank Takeoff Luggage for this nice little gift. Now, all the jackets I'm going to be showing you in this video will be included with links in the description below. And please leave me loads of comments because I really enjoy them. And I want to hear what you think about these jackets. Now, this is the Lizize. And I have to tell you, this is an extra large and I can't fit into it. It's a little snug, but it does have lots of pockets and it is the cheapest one of the whole lot. So keep that in mind. Let's go over this jacket. So let's count the number of pockets there are. There's one here, one here, one here. If you're keeping count, that's so far 3. One here, that's 4. And a small one up here, that's 5. That's not good enough for you. It's pocket number 6 here. And pocket number 7 here. And pocket number 8 here. So for $25.99, that's a lot of pockets. But it runs a little small, so take that into consideration. This next vest is made by 35,000 feet. And it's supposed to be weatherproof. I don't know if that means rainproof, but I doubt it because it's a vest. Let's go though and count over all the pockets and take a look at this jacket. Well, first of all, I have to say that this is a very nice quality jacket, if nothing else. So let's start counting the pockets. We have a pocket here, and the pocket here, pocket, and a pocket here. And inside we have a big pocket here and another big pocket on the other side. Now let's turn this jacket over. And I have to say, I like the lining, by the way. There's another pocket, and it's a big size pocket in the back. I have to say, I really think this is a lovely jacket. Let's see how it fits. So this is the men's 33,000 foot vest in a size large. Now it fits a little bit loose here on me and a little bit tighter here on the bottom because it's a men's jacket. So this is the way it looks in the front, and this is the way it looks from the side, so you can see. So if you're a lady, if you're trying to decide if you want to take the men's jacket, now you know. And one last note, it's actually very reasonable at $42. So my next vest is by a company called Outdoor Ventures, and we're going to count the pockets. So let's count the number of pockets. We have one pocket here, one pocket here. That's 2 so far. This is 3. A little hidden one here, big actually. That's 4. Open it up. Another pocket here, it's 5. Another little secret pocket here. That's 6. I'm calling this a headphone pocket, by the way. You can use it for your headphones. Another pocket here. That's 7. 7 pockets on this one. So this is the men's Outdoor Venture vest in a size large. And here's the front of it. And here's the side. And it's running a little bit larger on me than the other vests do. But you know, here, and it's not hugging me in the hips. And it's a little heavier weight, which is also important to note too. But it's a lovely jacket, very nice quality. I really like it. So the next 3 jackets I'll be showing you are full jackets with arms. And I will be starting with the Haimont jacket. And we'll do a count of how many pockets it has, and we'll go on from there. Now, first of all, the Haimont jacket is the first jacket that's actually a woman's jacket. So the other one were all men's jackets. And let's count how many pockets it has. It has a pocket here, that's 2. Has a pocket here, that's 3. Has a pocket in the arms, that's 4. It also has a removable hood. And I have to say, the quality of the jacket is truly outstanding. I mean, it's top quality. I'm really impressed with it. On the inside of the jacket, it's got a light fleece, which is really nice. Now let's count the number of pockets on the inside. So we had 4 on the outside. We have 5, 6. Again on this side. Wow, huge one here. That's 7. Wow. This jacket has 7 pockets with polo fleece and a zip-off hood. So this is the Haimont's women's jacket. It's in an extra large. Go sideways with it. It's a little big on me also. But if you wanted to wear layers underneath it, you could. I have to say it's a heavier jacket, but it's a great jacket. And with all the pockets that are here and everything, I mean, how can you go wrong? Has even a hood with adjustable toggles here. And the best part is it's only $59.99. I mean, how can you go wrong with that? I hope you're enjoying the video so far. And if you're finding any value in this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, because that tells YouTube that you like to see my videos. So this next jacket is a men's jacket, and it's made by Core. And we're going to count the number of pockets. Now I have to say again, like the last couple of jackets, this is really good quality jacket. So I am impressed with that. This is also a raincoat, so it will be you'll be dry if you wear this jacket. So that's another thing to take into consideration. So now let's count the pockets. We got one here. We have two here. We have three here. By the way, there is a hood. Inside we have this one here. That's 4. There's this one in the back. Nice size one. That's 5. The one on this side? Yes, there is. It's just dark right here. That's 6. So this coat has 6 pockets. Oh, I missed one. Number 7. Right here on the arm. So this coat has 7 pockets and a hood, and it's rain resistant. I'm going to try it on. So this is the men's core jacket in large. I'll show you from the side. It's a little large, but that's okay because you can layer it. It's a rain jacket, remember, so it's not doesn't really have much in the way of keeping you warm. And it also has these wrist adjustments and the hood. And this core jacket is packable. And it even comes with its own little bag. And that's a real plus. And for $65, I don't know, I think it's pretty good value. Now this jacket is made by Outdoor Ventures. It's a woman's jacket, sorry guys. And I'll be going over the number of pockets that this jacket has. So let's count the number of pockets. We have a pocket here, that's 1. We have a pocket here, that's 2. I have to also say that this jacket, again, another quality jacket. I'm really impressed. And it's an anorak, and it has that extra zipper at the bottom. More pockets, here you go. So, we have a really large pocket here. It's huge. So that's 3. And I'm presuming over here, we have another big pocket here. That's 4. Now this jacket has polo fleece. It's a raincoat. And the hood comes off. But it is the coat with the least amount of pockets. Let's try it on and see how it fits. Well, I kind of like the jacket just as a jacket. So this is the Outdoor Venture women's jacket. It's an anorak. It's in an extra large. And I would say that it's running just a little bit smaller than I normally get stuff. So you might want to take that into consideration. But the jacket itself is super nice. It also has, and I like this, the feature where you can open it up at the bottom so you can sit comfortably and not pull on any seams. It does have an adjustable waist, and I have it cinched right now. It also has a hood. And I like this hood because it's just a little bit big, but not like too big that it's hanging over my face like some of the other jackets. And it does zip up all the way, so if you're really cold day, you're totally comfortably warm. It's a great jacket. And at $49.99, I gotta say, that's really amazing. I'm gonna have a hard time picking a jacket out from that bunch because I'm taking a cruise to Alaska and I need a jacket like that for the cruise. So I think that was an impressive variety of jackets to buy instead of a Scotty vest because they came both as vests and long sleeves. Most of them had at least 6 to 7 pockets. It was amazing. And I think the one that was like the least impressive for me was the first one, which ran small, but hey, I want to show you everything that there is out there. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.